Hi, Nanda and Rachel, and we're at a hospital, and she braided my hair, and we're doing an update video. We're doing a song tomorrow. I fishtailed it. So is this an update video and a funny video?
Watch me be a total idiot. This is my normal self, okay?
Here we go. Now go all the way down and show them how long it is. Okay, this is
where it starts. This is where it is.
Watch it. The door.
All the way to the door, bro. What's on? Jump rope.
Oh my god. I didn't even flip.
No.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Okay, wait. Wait.
We're awkward tacos, bro. Look at that. I'm just moving myself. Are you the guy? Stop.
Stop. Just stop.
What are we gonna do, TP you?
You can use the bathroom now.
So, this is what we do in hospital. Oh my god. Rachel.
Wait.
Rachel, stop it.
Wait.
That guy's gonna hear us. I'm like,
It goes out the door.
go again.
There's a lady in here. I'm jumping.
We should take it. We should take that with us. So, you'll be seeing this soon, because we're keeping it.
And we're going to be recording in the next 5 to 10 minutes, knowing what I'll do.
Okay, so bye. Wave.